found channels posting miniature videos and they are quietly stacking cash while nobody is talking about it. No fame, no fancy setup, just one AI trick. I am about to show you exactly how, frame by frame. Don't blink. Subscribe now, because what I will show you next could be your next paycheck. Take a look at this channel, Tiny Kitchen, and you see that this channel has only posted 11 videos and the channel has gotten 150,000 subscribers. That's awesome, right? Cool. And when you come down and click on the popular videos, you will see how many views this channel has gotten. One video has given this channel 170 million views. The next one is 10 million views, 2.9 million views, 1.8 million views. Let's go down, okay? 1.1 million views and all that. So this channel has made, like I said, only 11 videos. So let's head straight to Social Blade to know the roughly estimate what this channel is making. If you come over to Social Blade, you will see this is the same name here, 150k subscribers, 11 videos, created 2027. That doesn't mean that's when they started posting videos, okay? So when you come down here, you will see that monthly this channel makes approximately $307 to 4,900k dollars, and yearly earning is between $7k to $112. This is awesome, okay? So I have another channel to show you right here that is doing miniature videos, okay? This is a DIY mini house. When you come to this channel, from this join here, you will understand that this channel is fully monetized, okay? And they have created 120 videos and has gotten 241k subscribers so far, okay? Let's check the videos they've made so far, and you click on popular videos right here. You will see the most popular video they have gotten. This channel has given 379 million views. One video only, not all. The next one has gotten 17 million views, 12 million views, 10 million views just by posting miniature videos. Yes, and so on. 3.9 million views, 3.8 million views, 3.7, 2.9 million views. Okay, on this tutorial I'll be putting you through on how much this channel has made. Approximately, this channel makes approximately 8.2k to 131k monthly, okay, and yearly 115k to 1.8 million dollars approximately, okay? This is not the exact money they make, and I'll be putting you through on few simple steps that you can use to make these same videos. First thing you will need a prompt, okay? I've already structured my prompts on how to get this done. If you don't know how to structure prompts, let me know on the comment sections. I'll be putting you through on how you can get your prompt done. So right here we'll have scene 1 to scene 4, and we'll have image prompt and video prompt, okay? So we'll copy our image prompts right here, copy. We'll move back to our browser and head over to Flow AI. I'll open a new Flow AI right here. We'll click it open. We're gonna use free AI tools to achieve this. We're not going to spend a dime doing this. That literally means you can do this on your mobile phone or your desktop, whichever you have, you can achieve this. You come over to, you register if you haven't registered. If you have registered, you log in. I am automatically logged in on this platform because I use it every day. So you come over to new project, click it open. Okay, new project will come up and we will head to this amazing interface where we'll be posting our prompts. Okay, we'll drop my image prompt right here. Okay, it has dropped. We'll come down here and choose image because we need to generate our image, use it to animate to video. All right, so click on this image. You have this interface that will show you 16:9 aspect ratio down to 9:16 aspect ratio. So I'll be working with 9:16 aspect ratio, and I'll be generating one image. This will cost me $0, and I'll be using, of course, Nano Banana Pro for this. So I'll click on this arrow to let it search and generate my image for me. Remember, 100%. Okay, stick with me. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button to be part of this amazing community. And of course, don't forget to click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring lovely content your way. And of course, you can tell me the next video tutorial you want me to carry out, and free AI tools out there. Right now, we'll be using this image. Okay, we'll click on this more button right here, and you will see animate, add prompts, download, rename, share, and all that. So right now we'll be animating this image. We'll click on animate. We'll move back to where we can drop our prompt. Of course, we'll head back to our prompt space and copy our image prompts. Okay, copy your image prompts. You head back here, you drop your image prompts, your video prompts to generate video. Right here, if you look here, it is on video. We'll click it to be sure, and we'll be using Omni Flash to generate this, and I'll be doing 8 seconds video. Yes, it will cost me 12 credits. I am not paying a dime. You'll be getting free credits every day. You click on this arrow button and let it animate. Few seconds, your video will be ready. And remember, it is absolutely free. I have other amazing videos you can watch: how to clone your voice, how to use Grok 1.5 absolutely free, how to use Cadence 2.0 absolutely free. I've dropped the videos on my playlist, so feel free to check them out. I'll be dropping them on the description box, so it will be easy for you to grab. And when you click on the bell notification, you will always be notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. So stick with me, our video is ready. So what do? You click and watch the video. All right, you let the video play. This is awesome. Okay, we'll do what? When we get to the last frame, we can click here, save frame. All right, we'll save our frame, and you, of course, you download the video that you just created. If you don't like the video, you can recreate the video. Okay, mind you, you have limited credits for that. So download the video that was created and click on this to save the last frame. We'll be using the last frame to continue the next video. Click on this to save the last frame. Okay, we have saved the last frame. We'll click on done. All right, we'll get back to our prompt space and get scene 2 prompts. Okay, now we don't need the image prompts anymore. We already have the frame we are going to use, our starting frame. So we'll be copying the video prompts. Copy the video prompts. You head back right here, you click on the frame that you saved, animate it, animate. You paste the video prompt that you copied for scene 2 to animate. 8 seconds, one video, and we click on animate. Let it animate. It will be consistent and super easy to work with. So doing this, you see the thousands of dollars other channels are making, and they are 100% monetizable on social media platforms. You create one video a day, thereabouts, you make good money for yourself without stressing yourself. Easy peasy. Let's wait for this to animate, and we will head over to scene 3. Okay, I'll be showing you the best way to put them together and have the video as one player. Okay, I'll be telling you my best video editing tools I use. Let me know on the comment section the best video editing tools you use, the one you are comfortable with. There is a reason why you like it. So once this scene 2 is ready, we'll play it. Okay, let it play. It comes with sound. Amazing. You see the party. Lovely. So you download the video and save the last frame. All right, we are done with scene 2. We head back to our prompts and head to scene 3. Remember, we don't touch the image anymore. We are working with only the video prompt. Okay, copy the video prompts. You head back to your browser, click on done. We'll head over to the last frame, click on more, animate and paste your scene 3 video. Voila, you are ready. You click on it, let it animate for you absolutely free without spending a dime, and you smile home. Mind you, if you want to monetize with YouTube Shorts, you need only 10 million views to monetize, and you have seen millions of views these miniature channels have been gotten just from one video. Yes, people love to watch this because they'll be like, how tiny is this kitchen, how tiny is the gas, the stove, the food, and all that. They will keep watching. You will keep getting amazing revenue that can change your financial status. AI is not coming. AI is the new economic reform system that if you are left behind, it is over for you. Well, let's play this video. This is awesome. So what do? You save, you download the video on your device, and we are good to go. So next, we need to watch the edited videos that we have created. So guys, stick with me. Let's see the amazing results we have created. Okay, let's go straight into this together.